Hello, hello, hello. It's been a minute. How are you? It's me, Rhonda of Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day today. I am up and about and ready to roll and rumble and tell you all about my adventures of surgery. But first, we're going to be doing a look with the Gemini 2 palette from Melt. Melt is one of my very favorite companies, and this palette looks stunning. It's so beautiful. I bet you'd like to see some magic swatches. Bam! Magic swatches. And it goes from here all the way to here. And it's swatched pretty well. I'm going to take it off my arm so I don't forget. I keep forgetting we're not in love anymore. I keep forgetting this palette will never be the same again. Anyway, so I have been through my surgery and I've recovered from the immediate effects of surgery. Today I am 6 days out from surgery. I'm going to start in the crease with Ladylike. Surgery went well. It was uneventful. I don't remember any of it. And when I was wheeled into my room, I was put on a morphine pump. So I felt no pain for a couple days, that's for sure. And I was in no shape to do a vlog or host a live stream or anything like that, because I was simply not with it enough in the world to do that. So that's why you haven't heard from me. I did make a post on my community tab and some people saw that, which is great. And it was, so far I can have bigger sips than I expected. I have no trouble eating my soups or getting my protein drinks in. I can tell you I want real food. I miss real food. It's not been that long, but it's going to be another few weeks before I get some real solid bites. But I'm going to be on this full liquid diet for about 2 weeks. And then I'll be into the mushy diet where I'll be eating soft foods like tuna salad and scrambled eggs and things like that. Where do you think I should go? I think I'm going to go here with Sweetheart. I'll put this. So beautiful. Sweetheart is beautiful. So pigmented. Very pigmented. That is never a problem with a Melt product, that's for sure. I think I need to blend that out some more. I've dusted off the brush. Very, very pretty. So I've just been relaxing and sleeping and taking medication as prescribed. And I'm just grateful that I'm through the physical hardest part. A lot of people have gas pains because they inflate your belly with CO2 to get in there with the laparoscopic tools. I didn't have any problems with gas pain. I'm going to go into Bella here, this real light one, and put this on the lid. so beautiful. So, so I've had very little pain, which is great, and I'm following directions, and I go see the doctor on, a couple weeks. In a couple weeks, I'll see the doctor. But until then, I just am staying the course and taking care of myself. But I'll be definitely doing my live stream this week. And let's see. Let's change this color palette up a little. Let's get some of this LX Queen. So deep. It's so beautiful. That is looking glamorous. I'm digging it. I think with some liner and mascara, this will look even better. So let's do some liner and mascara. We're gonna do House Labs eyeliner in Punk. Feels like forever since I've done any makeup. Alrighty, and let's do some mascara with some Marc Jacobs mascara. But I did a lot of before pictures and measurements, so I can really keep up with how I'm losing weight. That looks so pretty. I'm totally rocking this and loving it to the T. Mwah! I love this look. And we're gonna do some kind of a lip with it because it needs something on my mouth. Something needs to be on my mouth besides a protein drink. I'm gonna go with Gemini from Jeffree Star. Couldn't think of his name. It's a great nude. It looks perfect with this palette. So here we have it. That's my update with what's going on with me. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I hope to see you real soon. And I hope you've enjoyed checking out my first look with the Gemini 2 palette. Bye!